Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a project pan update. I think this is number 8 or number 9, not quite sure, but these are products that I've used up in September or have made a significant, or some of them aren't a significant difference, but you get my drift. If you don't know what this is, I have a bin of products that I've had this entire year that I've been wanting to use up, so I've been really focusing on them, and I update you guys every month. And I have a playlist of all the previous updates, which I will try and link below. So let's get started. Okay, so we will go through the products that were in my bin. I haven't used well, one thing is like pretty much used up. I might stop using it after this update, and then we will go through the products on my spreadsheet that I don't have time to show you guys, or we would be here forever, but they are skincare items, hair care items, some household things, that kind of stuff that I have used up. Okay, so first thing, Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder. This is done basically. I just have a little amount of powder on the outsides, which I've really been trying to use. It's kind of difficult because they're hard to reach places, but I want to say that this is done. Yeah, let's just do it. This is done. I'm so excited. This is my first powder product in this bin that I have finished up, so that's very exciting. Love that. Okay, other powder products. We have a little bit of progress on my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in Sunkissed. This is at, let's see, 8 grams. We started with 9 grams. And like I've said in previous videos, I can see the rings of the pan, and I think if I tilt it this way, I think you guys can see it too. If you can't, so sorry, but I can see them. So we are making progress on that. We have, compared to last month, this is okay progress. We have significant pan in here, but I've been really focusing on the outer portions, which are a little bit thicker. So that's why you're not seeing like a huge chunk of pan compared to last time. But I am making my way through this. Let's see. It still says I'm at 3 grams. That's what we were at last time. So let's see where we're at the end of October. Okay, the main Tarte blush out of the two that I've been using, this is Classic. So we have the same amount of pan showing as last time. I've been really focusing my brush up here where it's a little bit thicker. So we're making a good dent in that portion. So on my chart, it doesn't say we've made any difference in grams. It still says we're at the original 1.5. I don't see how that's possible. I don't know what's up with my math or whatever, but the proof is in the pudding. Okay, now on to lip products and concealer. So this, when I weigh it, doesn't say that I've used any different amount, but I can see in this tube pretty good, and we are almost finished. This is the Lasting Perfection Concealer by Collection in the color Fair. We have a lip liner. I've really been diving into this. This is Model Co's lip liner in, I don't know, because we don't have the shade name on it anymore. This is such a good nude lip liner, and I estimated that we are halfway done. ColourPop Skimpy Glossy Lippy Stick. We are halfway done with this. We just have this much left, if you can see that. I like this color, but it's really difficult to wear. We can't really wear it if you're tan like this. I have to be at my complete fairest to pull this off, which is why it's taking me a while, but I'm trying. And then something I'm really diving into because I want to finish it. We are so close. This is a Boardwalk Promenade by NYX. This is a butter lipstick, and like, oh, so close. Hopefully I can finish this in October. And then for perfume, I am 4/5 the way done with Viktor and Rolf's Bon Bon. That's actually my work bag downstairs, and I need to get this video finished because I actually have to go to work. So I'm not going to grab it, but yes, we are almost done. We'll definitely be done in October. Okay, on to the long list of products. So masks, potted, we're at 18. We were at 19 last month. Sheet masks, we were at 31. We were at 33 last time. Face cleansers, we're at 7. We were at 8 last time. Moisturizers, we are at 11. We were at 13 last time. Hand soaps, we were at 12. We're at 11 now. And then candles, we were at 16, and last time we were at 18. So this year I have finished a total of 108 products, which is really good, but I want to finish 203, and it's October 7th right now, so I really got to get moving on this. So I'm really going to buckle down and get some of this stuff done in October. Luckily, I have a lot of products that are on the cusp of being finished, or that are finished, that will go into October's lineup. So that is everything that I have for you guys. If you enjoy these videos, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.